गुड मॉर्निंग और गुड इवनिंग वन एंड ऑल. सो आज का टॉपिक है द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, दैट इज़ लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. So this is also called Gauss's first law, okay, because it was given by Gaussin. Okay, so Gauss's first law. So what is law of diminishing marginal utility? Law of diminishing marginal utility states that with the increase in the number of units of a commodity consumed, the additional units of the commodity will give the consumer lesser and lesser units of satisfaction. Lesser and lesser satisfaction, which means what? कि हम लोग अगर जितना ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करते रहते हैं कमोडिटीज़ को, तो उतना क्या होता है, वही कमोडिटी से हमारा सेटिस्फैक्शन कम होने लगता है. एडिशनल यूनिट्स जब हम लोग कंज्यूम करते हैं उससे हमारा सेटिस्फैक्शन कम होने लगता है. जैसे एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं, like if we like ice cream, okay, so the first ice cream when we have, it gives us a very good level of satisfaction because after so many days we are having ice cream. Okay, now after that, if we continuously have one after the other, another ice cream, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, now what happens, our satisfaction keeps on decreasing because we are having the same commodity one after the one. Okay, so what happens, our level of satisfaction keeps on falling, or the level of satisfaction keeps on reducing. So level of satisfaction over here is measured through utility, because the marginal utility is a cardinal utility concept, and we have already done a cardinal utility means when the utility is measured with a numerical value or measured in utils. Okay, so what happens, so when we keep on consuming more and more of a commodity, the same commodity, what happens, the satisfaction level keeps on falling. Now the next question that arises is that till what limit does the consumer should consume the same commodity so that it maximizes his satisfaction, because the consumer's main motive is always to maximize his satisfaction or maximize its utility. So till which unit of the same commodity we should consume, या फिर हमें कितना सारा आइसक्रीम खाना चाहिए कि मेरा satisfaction maximum हो. So always remember, the marginal utility should always be equal to the price, right? So how much utility you are deriving from the commodity, that utility should be equal to the price of the commodity. Like if an ice cream is worth 40 rupees, then your utility should be equal to 40. Right, which means the marginal utility should be equal to price of the commodity only when we consider that the consumer has maximized his satisfaction level. So this is the concept of law of diminishing marginal utility, and along with that I have also told you the condition of consumer equilibrium, that is when the consumer maximizes his satisfaction. So I hope the concept is very clear to you. Thank you for watching my video.